Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the RAM and the CPU high utilization on Windows 11 or 10. But in this video I will show you the working steps which really helps to Windows to minimize the utilization of RAM and CPU. First of all, you need to open the task manager from your Windows, and first you need to monitor the apps. Let's say you are using the Google Chrome, so let's see the utilization will increase now automatically. You can see, and when you click on it you will see the highest app is Google Chrome, and when I close it, and you can see it has gone down now. So this is a way to monitor your system. But if you are sure that no third party application is taking more CPU and RAM on your system, so that means you have to fix this issue anyhow. So first step is you need to open here the run command, and you need to type here the command sysdm.cpl. Here is the command, you can see here sysdm.cpl. Press OK key, and once you press OK key, go to advanced tab here, then go to performance, the setting option, and from here choose the custom one. And in your Windows this should be automatically tick, but if you tick this option, your most of the Windows CPU and RAM consumption is high, so you need to click on first adjust for best performance, and only two options should be tick: show thumbnail instead of icons, and this option is smooth edge font screen. Just apply and OK. Now again click on that option, go to advanced again, and we are going to enhance the virtual memory on our Windows. So you can see here I have already enhanced the virtual memory. Let me show you in the restore to default setting, which should be on your Windows by default. Just go again the same options, and now this should be come up. And first open the system information here, and once you see, look for your RAM utilization. In my case I have 4 GB of RAM, so let me calculate how you can calculate it. Simply open the calc, and once you open the calc, you need to multiply 1024 into your total memory. So I have 4096, so you need to multiply by 2 into 2, so 8992 you can put here. So how to put it, let me show you. Untick this option, select your D drive, then click on custom and type here 8192. You need to change according to your system memory. Then click on set, then click on OK, and then click on OK again, apply it, OK, and now restart your Windows. But you can restart it later once the video is finished, so restart it later. Now next step is you need to open the task manager again and go to startup apps here, and once you go to startup apps, disable all the startup apps, only leave this antivirus enabled, otherwise all the application will automatically run when you restart your Windows. So right click on it and disable it, right click on it and disable it, disable all the apps, and you will see your CPU and memory utilization will be lower. So this is the third number setting. Now close this, again open the run command, and this time you need to type here msconfig and press OK key. Now once you press OK key, you need to click on here services, and click on disable. First click on this option, hide all Microsoft services, and these are the third party services. You need to disable it, and once you disable it, apply it and OK it. The third party services we have disabled it, but I have observed that in few systems after applying this method you might face some issues, so you can revert it back. Let me show how to revert it back. Again, open the run msconfig services, hide all Microsoft services and enable all, and then apply and then OK. But you need to only do this setting if you face any kind of issues, otherwise you can leave the first one setting as disable the third party application on your Windows. So these are the settings. Now one another setting I should suggest you, click on edit power plan and adjust your, if you are using the PC, so adjust your system for best performance, high performance. If you are using the laptop, so it's recommended the balance one, but if you are using the PC, so you can set to high performance on your Windows. And I'm pretty sure after applying these methods your issue will be fixed. And also make sure guys you are not using any unused software on your Windows, and your C drive should be free, it should not be red, else it will create some issues, lagging issues, unresponse issues on your Windows. And I'm pretty sure if you're applying these methods your issue will be fixed and RAM CPU utilization will be normal on your Windows. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.